Welcome to our new registration system. We've put together a short video orientation for you. Select the weeks of camp your children will be attending. There are full or mini-week options. To select a week more than once because you have more than one child coming the same week, view the shopping cart and adjust the number of weeks. After adding the desired weeks, click Continue. Note the week at the top of the section. Then select or add the correct child to the registration. Add session options like horse riding lessons or adventure tree climbing. Click Continue. Continue down the page, noting the week at the top of each section. Answer questions regarding each child and click Continue. Read waivers, check the boxes, and click Continue. Waivers include our participation policy and refund policy. Select your payment option. You may choose to pay a deposit or in full when checking out. If you decide on a payment plan, you may choose to have an auto deduction or bring the balance with you to camp. Add card info and click Complete.